Hi guys, it's Sandy here, and today I am unboxing all 5 mystery boxes that I purchased off Takealot. Now this is the second time I'm filming this video because I accidentally deleted the footage the first time, so I know what's in here already, and I already did swatches with these products. Yeah, hey, such is life. I'll be unboxing the Unicorn mystery box, the Mermaid mystery box, the random 10-piece mystery box, the 5-piece liquid lipstick mystery box, as well as the 5-piece matte lipstick mystery box. So let's just get straight into this. First up, the box that I was most excited to open, the Essence Unicorn mystery box. The packaging of all the boxes do look like this. There is tissue paper with the Essence logo on and a sticker, and these are the goodies inside the box. First, I have this bright pink metal shock lip paint, and this is what it looks like. It looks a bit opaque. I don't know when a normal person would need to use this though, not gonna lie. Then I have this Essence Prismatic Holographic Highlighting Stick. I always wanted to try this. It's very smooth and it has like a purplish holographic shine. It almost looks like when you put sunscreen on and you go purple, you know? Yeah, it's, it even makes you shiny like that. Then I just have this really cute loose glitter. There's stars and lightning bolts in here. Very reminiscent of Harry Potter now that I think of it. I have this metal shock nail powder. And I actually did try this out already, and this is what my nails came out like. You just rub this powder on your nails and seal it with a top coat, and it gives like an iridescent shine. And lastly, I have the Glow Like a Mermaid highlighter. Now it looks very cute and all, but why is this in a unicorn box? That is my question. It swatches with a bit of a green color, a very subtle whitish greenish color, which is a bit bizarre. But I don't know, I can make it work, I guess. Next, I'm going to open the Mermaid mystery box, and let's see how this compares to the Unicorn mystery box. I was quite sad about this. I got the Glow Like a Mermaid highlighter again because it was in the Unicorn mystery box, and now it's in the Mermaid mystery box, but I expect it to be here. I was quite disappointed for this. The Prismatic Holographic Highlighting Stick was also in the Mermaid mystery box, even though this is a very unicorn thing. This time we have a bright blue metal shock lip paint. Again, I don't know when a normal person would use this, but maybe little girls would have fun, just playing around with this. Maybe like drawing on the walls or something. I thought this was quite cool, and I've never seen this before from Essence. It's a peel off glitter nail polish. I thought this was quite interesting because glitter nail polish is nasty AF to get off. It's so pretty on your nails, and then taking it off is a nightmare. And we have a green iridescent metal shock nail powder. The only thing I was kind of disappointed in was the duplicates for the 2 highlighters. I mean, not only am I getting 2 highlighters, per box, but I mean the fact that it's duplicate. Now I'm sitting with 4 highlighters, none of which I actually needed. But it's cute though, and I was really excited when I received the box. So I definitely think it achieved its purpose of, just fun. Next, I'm opening the 10-piece mystery box. Now, I had the most fun opening this, let me tell you. There's some amazing products in here. Some things that I didn't even know Essence produced. First, we have yellow and green color correctors. And I only have a red color corrector, so I think this would be interesting to add to my collection. Green cancels out red, and yellow can also be used for like dark circles and things, I think. Then we have this Glow and Care nail polish, which is supposed to be nourishing for your nails as well as being like kind of sparkly. I currently have this nail polish on my nails with the metal shock nail powder over it. I think it's quite cute. I absolutely love nail polishes. Then I have this matte brown liquid lipstick in the shade American Girl, a silver metal shock liquid eyeshadow. This actually looks quite cute. I have another Metal Shock nail powder. So this is in a duplicate color because I already got the purple in one of the other boxes. I thought this was really cool. It's the Stay Cool Llama highlighter. This packaging is just so cute. I've never seen this in stores. In PE, that is. And this is what it looks like on the inside. So it's 3 different colors of highlighter in here in this really cute pressed form. And let me just do some swatches of the white, the pink, and the bronzish color. Here we go. You can see it's very subtle. And these are just the swatches. And again, it's a very subtle shimmer, but these are very wearable colors, so I think I'll enjoy using it. I really hope you can see this. Now this is the coolest thing. It's a lip plumping lip gloss. I did not know Essence made this, and it's in a really nice wearable color as well. So let's just put it on. I forgot that I literally had lip gloss, and now I just put this over. Oh my goodness. But I still feel the tingling. It's a really cool tingling. I don't know. It's like when you eat something after you've brushed your teeth. Like if you had to drink orange juice after you brushed your teeth. That's what it feels like on my lips. Next, I just have this orange lipstick, which is incredibly orange. I could probably use this for creative makeup looks. But yeah, hey, that is orange, orange, orange. I wonder if I should try it on my lips. I'm gonna take off this plumping lip gloss though. It's really smooth though. Wait, it kind of smells like oranges. Damn, this is so nasty. You know what this would be nice for? You know, if you have a sports day at school and you're like on the orange team, then you could probably make use of this. You can put it on your lips and you can like draw orange team on your face or something. I mean, it's a bit patchy, but the patchiness is the least of my problems. But yeah, man, I don't know. Yeah, it's interesting to own. And then lastly, I have this black cushion eyeliner, which I don't really know how to use. So when you open it, it's like this, and then there's nothing on this side. But then if you take the sponge out, there's a bit of liquid there, but it's like really little. And then this side of the sponge is damp, so I don't know if I'm supposed to like take it out and then like dip my brush there, or if I'm supposed to flip this around and then put it in this pot. Yeah, I will have to figure that out, or please someone just help me down below in the comments if you feel sorry for me. I need to take this orange off because I can't take myself seriously. Next, let's have a look at the 5-piece matte liquid lip gloss / lipstick mystery box. So again, this is just what it looks like on the inside. And let's have a close-up look of the lipsticks. This is probably my favorite color. This is in the shade The Big Chill. It's a gorgeous dusty rosish pink. This is totally wearable and I think it's perfect for my skin tone. It's really hard for me to find a nice pink. Please give this video a like at least, because I'm about to swatch 10 lipsticks under my lips. Next, I'm trying Simply Be an Icon. This is probably my second favorite color in here. I think it also matches quite well with my skin tone. It's not too bright, it's not too dark. I think it really is a perfect red. I know these are supposed to be matte liquid lipsticks or lip glosses, but they're really not matte at all. And I've used other matte liquid lip glosses and they've been matte. Feels very soft and buttery on your lips, so you know your lips won't be getting dry from using this. This brown is in the shade American Girl, and I don't think this suits me, Not at all, but I might find an interesting use for it. I did have to apply a couple of layers to get it opaque on my lip. But I mean, it's a cute brown, just not for me. Next, I'm trying this extremely bright red called Chic Up Your Life. And here it is, kind of patchy. I had to apply quite a bit on my lips to get it looking like this. I probably wouldn't wear this out. But because I do a lot of beauty content, this color might come in handy one day for a specific look. Just a little tip, if your lipsticks aren't matte and you want them to be matte, you can just put a bit of baby powder over your lips and it becomes more matte. And lastly, I'm trying on Beauty Approved, a light pink color. These smell very nice, by the way. You see now, although this is a nice light pink, just not for me and my skin tone. I think you need to have a bit of a lighter skin tone to really enjoy this. So I definitely wouldn't wear this out, but I think this would be nice to mix with some other colors to lighten up a dark lipstick, or just create some cool custom shade. So I'll probably use it in that way. Overall, I'd say I'm only getting 2 shades out of this box that I would actually wear outside, but that might differ from person to person depending on your skin tone and your personal interests when it comes to makeup. And lastly, I'm going to open the 5-piece matte lipstick box. And let's see how many wearable shades I have inside this box. Now here are the lipsticks, really cute packaging, and let's just have a close up of these lipsticks. The first one I'm trying is in the shade 02. These lipsticks are really gorgeous, hey? And they have a really buttery, smooth consistency, so they apply super easily. I really like this. It's a cute pink. I might just wear this outside. Next, I'm going to try shade 03. And would you look at that, Jaclyn Hill could never. Woo. This is an interesting pinkish purplish color. I could possibly use this out with a specific makeup look to a specific place. It's kind of cute. It's kind of cute indeed. Next, I'm going to try this red in shade 06. A gorgeous true red. I could definitely use this out. Always appreciate having another good red in my collection. There's so many different shades. Everyone is slightly different. I feel like MAC has a color that looks like this. I want to say Ruby Woo. I'm not sure. I don't own it. I only have Chili. I'm more of a liquid lipsticks person than a lipstick person. Next, I'm trying shade 07. And this is a gorgeous deepish purplish color. Absolutely love purple lipstick. I think it's such a vibe. It's just something different. Just to switch it up from red all the time. So I'll definitely get some use out of this one. And lastly, I have shade 08. Hallelujah, my lips cannot take this anymore. And I'll try to take this off without messing my foundation around my lips. Whoa. My lips are just so swollen right now. I don't know if it's from the plumping lip gloss or the 11 lipsticks that I tried on my lips. I absolutely love this one as well. A gorgeous deep reddish maroonish color. I absolutely love these types of colors with a gorgeous neutral goldish, soft, glamish type look. I love that. I love it. It's a vibe. If you were thinking of getting one of these makeup boxes, I definitely vote for the lipstick box, because I actually think I can use all 5 shades of these lipsticks, like get some good use out of them when I'm going out. Not that I go out anywhere actually, eh? But that's besides the point. Irrelevant. You know, more wearable shades. There's more wearable shades in the lipstick box. And that is it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed watching. Do make sure to subscribe to my channel. Give this video a thumbs up. Comment down below. Don't forget to follow my socials, which will be linked down below in the description. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!